Hi, I'm Beth from Speak IT. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a foot pedal to your PC so you can use it with the Philips SpeechLive web app. Let's get started.
Log into your SpeechLive account and in the top right hand corner click the Connect Device button. There should be a red dot meaning there's no device connected. Open the PDC wizard, which looks like this, and follow the steps. The first step being to add the Chrome browser extension. Click the link and click Add to Chrome. It'll tell you what permissions it needs when you install it. And click Add Extension. This will add this part of the PDC, the Philips Device Connector, to your Chrome browser, enabling the device to be recognised. Click the cross once it's installed and navigate back to Philips SpeechLive. And click Next on the PDC Installer wizard. Click the next link to then download the native host application installer. It'll download to your normal downloads folder. You can open that up, open the zip file that has been downloaded, and in the Windows folder there will be a .exe file. Run that file. You may need to get an administrator to enter credentials to install this application. So if you have an IT service who require admin credentials, then make sure you let them know that you're installing this and they can assist you with installing this software. Once any admin credentials have been added, the installer will appear and it will show you preparing to install, and then simply follow the instructions on the installer to continue adding it to your PC. And it shouldn't take too long to install. Click the Finish button once that's all done and navigate back to your SpeechLive browser and click Finish on the PDC wizard. Your browser will now refresh, and in the top right hand corner, once you've plugged in your device, the icon will turn green and you can see that the foot control is now connected. Click the cog and you can configure the pedals how you like them. I prefer the middle to be play pause, the left hand to be rewind and the right hand to be forward. And you click the arrow and you'll see in the drop down all the different options. Once you've configured the buttons how you want them, click Save. Now you can click on a dictation to open it and use the foot pedal as you've configured it to play pause, forward and rewind.
Dictation demonstrating how Philips SpeechLive works.
Your foot control will now also work with the pop-out player, so you can transcribe into your chosen program. Make sure you press play on the recording first before you start to use your foot control.
Your external device is now ready to use with the Philips SpeechLive web app. But if you need any more support, then please raise a ticket by emailing support@speakit.co.uk. If you'd like to discuss any other products with us, then give us a call on 0121 456 7800.